from Wallatopia, and our stand here at IAAPA Barcelona in 2021 was built by Expo Stand. I want to share that their service and what was delivered to us was very satisfactory. I was very happy with their work, and we appreciate the quality of what was delivered. They were available at all times, also helped us install our product, which was not produced by them, but produced by us. We had their support with the installation. Here it is. So in a nutshell, thank you, Expo Stand. Bye-bye.